It's been a whole entire year since I posted, but I'm definitely back and with more content. I know it's just something about coming back to YouTube. Like, if you're an OG, you know I have this constant thing of leaving and coming back. Like, I don't know why, but YouTube just be calling me back. So I'm back again and I'm better than ever, and we're gonna start this back up again. I've been embedding you guys, and if you're new watching this, you're in it for the long run, baby, because I'm gonna be posting consistently. And I know some of you are like, you said this before, you said this before. I have a new mindset, I'm older now. But guys, I've been consistent on other platforms, and I know that I can come back on this channel and do the same thing that I'm doing for other platforms. And so I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm coming back to my channel and I'm definitely gonna be consistent. I already have a plan, I already have a schedule. So we're gonna just jump back into this and start posting more consistent. I'm excited, I'm ready. I'm so excited to show you guys what I have planned for you all. It's gonna be great content. I'm switching up my style a little bit, mixed in with how I used to record a little bit back then. But now I have some like different ideas that I really want to try out, and I feel like will bring up the engagement and also allow you guys to just sit and enjoy the video and content I create for you. So definitely can't wait to put that all out there. Stay tuned for more videos. This video is just basically an overview of my day-to-day routine. So now I'm going to nursing school. Now I'm officially a nurse student, which is super exciting. I'm going to show you guys my breakdown of my study routine, what I do since I've been starting nursing school. It's been a short period of time, so but I do have a study routine down packed for this semester. I already know what kind of style I'm going for as far as studying goes, and the reason why I'm saying that is because as the semester goes on, you're gonna change classes, right? You're not gonna have the same classes, which means you may or may not need to change up your studying style. And I know I will, because the classes I'm taking now they're fairly easy, very simple, very laid back. You still have work to do, yes, but it's nothing compared to like the real deal like nursing classes. So I know when those classes come up, which they come in soon, I know I'm gonna switch up my studying style because I want something more effective for those classes. This kind of studying style is very simple, very laid back, and it's gonna get you on point. You're gonna be ahead of your classes, and it's nothing crazy. But when it's time for the real classes, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about as far as changing my studying style. But we're gonna leave that. I digress. We're gonna leave that for another day. Right now, I'm gonna focus on the now, on what's important now, today, what's relevant for right now, the present time, and not for the future. So I'm definitely gonna get into that. Definitely want you guys to see what I've been doing and how I've been keeping it organized. When I say my life has to be organized, it has to be organized. Like, okay guys, so I know you guys probably been wondering, where have I been, what I've been doing, what I've been up to, why I disappeared. So I decided to go like different routes. I kind of took a pause off the YouTube because I didn't really know what I wanted to focus my YouTube channel on. I really didn't. Like, I was all over the place. If you guys go back to my old YouTube channels, YouTube videos, you guys gonna see that my videos are just jumbo mumbo everywhere. There's no niche. There's just I just post whatever, and I realized it wasn't really working for me on YouTube. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna take some time off because I feel like I was just throwing out videos. I'm gonna take some time off, learn about myself, learn about what I really like, and literally decide what I'm going to do on YouTube. But it took some time because I had to do a lot of digging. Like, when I had to learn by myself, I had to unlearn things, I had to learn new things, I had to break down walls. Don't mind that. I had to break down the old habits that were just useless, negative, and affecting me. I had to break down layers of me that I didn't know was stopping me from continuing and wanting to succeed in life. I had to rebuild myself up. I had to come into a partnership with God because He was, by His grace, He was the only one that was able to help me through all this. And I'm renewed, I'm restored. I learned so much about myself, so much about the world, so much about the Bible, so much about God, and I'm ready to bring it onto this platform, just be more consistent, and just share everything with you guys, because ultimately I want to help you guys succeed in nursing school or whatever it is you decide to do in life. I want you guys to know you can do it. Like, believe in yourself, you can do it. Open up your Bible, get into scriptures. You can do whatever you want in this life that's pleasing to God. Ultimately, he knows what's best for you. If you enter a partnership with God, you'll be able to do things that you can never imagine. You could ever imagine. Okay, he will do things that you will be like, how? Literally. So definitely start getting into your Bible, definitely start getting into your word, start talking to God, get in communion, get into partnership with God. He's waiting for you. He wants to catapult you to in ways that you can never ever just think of. Like, one thing I want you to take from me is definitely that. Go to God. Okay, so what have I been doing? So let's get more into the life update thing. So I've been doing a lot of self-care, a lot of self-development, learning about who God is, who he created me to be. That's out. Also, I've been focused on mommy life, just like doing me and living in the present moment. Because one thing I used to do was live with my phone, just on my phone all the time. So I took a lot of time to just focus on the moment, being present, being a mom, just focus on me. It's just been a relief, especially when social media is so overwhelming. It can be so daunting, so negative sometimes, and it could just cause just a lot of chaos in your mind. So staying away from social media for long periods of time has helped my mental so much. I feel like I'm a renewed person, and I feel like I don't stress out too much. I don't overthink. I'm not comparing myself. I don't feel so negative, so down. I just feel so much lively. I just feel here. I'm enjoying my time, because ultimately your time here is short. So you don't want to look back at this time like, dang, like I don't remember anything. I didn't experience anything. I didn't get to enjoy my time. You don't want that to happen. So I've really been focusing on that, and now I feel like I'm ready to come back on YouTube, have a plan, have a schedule. That way I won't interrupt social media with my personal life as well. I want to make sure that when it's time to record, it's time to record. When it's time to edit, it's time to edit. When it's time to post, it's time to post. But then whatever else needs to be done will be done off camera, just doing me. I'm definitely excited to share this new journey with you guys, because it's completely 360, doing something completely new, focusing on, I want to say one topic. I'm gonna say one topic because it's not really one niche, because I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of different video styles, but with this one main topic, if that makes sense. So my topic is nursing. So I'm pretty sure you guys already knew that, but that's what it is. There's gonna be a lot of nursing content related things on this channel from now on, but you're gonna also still see me and doing other things as well, just like incorporating with nurses. So it's not gonna be fully 100% nursing videos, but there will be a lot of videos that will contain nursing in it. So for example, days in a life, it's gonna be a lot of days in life. I used to do days in life, but now it's gonna be a little bit more towards me studying. Well, it's gonna have segments of me studying, talking about nursing school, yada yada yada. That's that. Or if I'm doing like a self-care day, there's gonna be a lot of self-care days, and there's gonna be also tailored to like maybe self-care day after nursing school, what I do to make sure I'm not stressed and that I'm focusing. There's gonna be a lot of that, so definitely stay tuned for that. You guys are gonna enjoy that content. Not too much difference. It's just now I'm gonna incorporate a main topic. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. I should have just said that. That was so simple. That took 2 seconds to say. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited for the new journey. I hope you guys join it with me. I want you guys to be a part of this journey. You guys matter to me so much. I love you guys, and I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. guys, and comment down any questions you guys have below. Let me know what you've been up to. Let me know if you're OG. Let me know if you're new here. Let me know if you're nursing student. Like, just let me know anything. I really want to engage with you guys and comment and have a conversation. This is my first platform, like social media platform that I've ever had. So it's my baby. Like, I really don't care about my YouTube channel. I just had to do a lot of thinking, a lot of work to do behind the scenes, and it took me a while, but I'm back, I'm better, and nothing's gonna stop me now. Okay, so yeah guys, I really appreciate you all, and thank you so much for your time. I value it so very much. Thank you all. Bye.